My name is Ella, and a few months ago, my life felt like it had no meaning. I woke up every morning feeling heavy inside. The days looked the same, and I had no energy to do anything. Even small tasks felt impossible. I often sat by my window, staring outside, wondering if things would ever get better. Deep down, I wanted change, but I didn't know where to begin. One afternoon, while walking through the city, I stopped by the library. I wasn't really planning to read anything, but something inside me told me to go in. As I walked through the quiet rows of books, one particular title caught my attention. Start Again. The name itself felt like a message for me. I picked it up and began reading. From the very first page, I was drawn into the story. It was about a girl who faced many struggles but never gave up. She worked hard, followed her dreams, and step by step built the life she wanted. I read chapter after chapter, completely lost in her journey.